getting the VAN9003 Vanguard error and can't get into your game? This is a very common issue and I'll walk you through the fix step by step today. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Vanguard UEFI secure boot error VAN9003. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. As you can see on your computer, you got this error message that says you need to enable UEFI secure boot in order to play Vanguard. So I'm going to show you how to enable secure boot on your computer. I'm using a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, but the steps are pretty similar for other PCs. So once you have looked through this video and get the general concept right, the steps should work for the same for most computers. To check the secure boot status, we can check it on the computer. Click on the Windows Start icon, then search for System Information and click on it. Under Secure Boot State, if you see that it is off, it means that your secure boot is not enabled. So now to enable secure boot, we will first need to enter the BIOS of the computer. To do this, simply click on the Windows Start button and then click on the Power button on the bottom right. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click on Restart. Continue to hold on to the Shift key until your computer reboots. Once your computer restarts, click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Click on Restart and wait for the computer to reboot one more time. Here we have entered the BIOS page. Your BIOS page may look a little different from mine due to our different computer models. But try to look for the security option on your screen. Mine is on the top bar, so I will use my keypad to navigate to the security option. Do take note that the mouse doesn't work here. Here you can see the secure boot option. So press down on the keyboard to navigate to secure boot. Press enter on the keyboard. Here you can see the secure boot is disabled. Depending on your computer model, you will need to change the value of disabled to enabled. So it says here to use the plus or minus key to toggle this. I will go ahead to key in the plus, and now you can see the secure boot is now enabled. Now you will need to save and exit, which for my computer is the F10 key here, and it should probably be the same for you. We will save the configuration changes and exit now by pressing enter. Once the computer restarts, let's check if it has secure boot enabled. So click on the Windows Start icon, then search for System Information and click on it. Under Secure Boot State, now that you see it is on, that means that you have successfully enabled secure boot on your computer. After secure boot is enabled, you should be able to play Vanguard on your computer without the error message. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life too. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.